How to remove Face ID on iPhone. To get started, please open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. Once you are on the Face ID and passcode screen, you will see various options for controlling how the feature is used. Now, tap on the Stolen Device Protection to turn off, which adds an extra layer of security. To completely remove your Face ID data, go back until you find the Reset Face ID option. Tap the Reset Face ID button. All your previous Face ID data will be immediately and securely erased, allowing you to start fresh and set up a new facial scan for improved accuracy and security. Following these steps, you can easily remove Face ID on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.